So the volumetric has been in its evolution stage for close to 10 years. This by far is the world's most advanced 3D volumetric display for the technology that runs behind the driver of the technology. And when it comes to the display, the voxels that we use, which is basically a representation of pixels, which is now emitting light in 360, so hence the word voxel. And this put together onto one square meter at a 3-meter height is at 24,000 voxels. So driving information to each of these voxels individually and having the flexibility of continuity even in case there's one voxel that's damaged gives us the advantage over all the other tech that's in the market that makes this a flawless piece of technology in today's time, giving the display a 360 view to the end user. So the motion capture suits is something which makes the volumetric interactive. There are many ways of using it. Motion capture suits have been used over the years in filmmaking. So in animations, in character animation specifically, where actors are representing the motion of a character in a movie. That's when motion tracking suits were introduced. We've brought that to the immersive experience technology by giving a cross-platform integration through our software, where motion capture suits are now used to trigger the animation or the motion of avatars that are in the 3D volumetric space. So you could use it as a person performing, and their avatar or whatever object is represented in the volumetric display is triggered in real time with absolutely no latency. Well, when it comes to technology, like anything that's innovative today, requires constant evolution. And there has to be a constant effort when it comes to the investment in R&D. And this is what Option One Live is constantly investing in, where we work with our partners like LED Pulse to constantly develop new ways of integrating the technology, evolving it based on public demand, evolving it based on industry demand, and making sure that we constantly have something new that is out in the market, not necessarily re-innovating the wheel, but also evolving the current technology and making it even more immersive, even more attractive to the audience, and getting scalability. When it comes to the current technology, again, it's restricted in its environment to be used indoor. So we are exploring the possibilities now of bringing it into outdoor usage, making sure that we can offer the option of having more dense pixels. There are a lot more voxels within a square meter, giving us more definition in the 3D space.